What's going on, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, I want to make a quick video about stickers. Not about everything to do with stickers, not about bumper stickers, about these kind of stickers that come on items that you buy retail arbitrage. Every once in a while, you'll come across some items that you can buy a lot of and you don't have to remove the stickers, and that is awesome. But most stores have stickers on their items. So if you're doing retail arbitrage, you're going to need to be a sticker removing pro or have somebody else do it for you. Maybe you got some kids. Anyway, if you're the one taking off these stickers, I've got a tip for you that's going to save you a ton of time. Some stickers come off really easy and it's not a big deal. Some stickers come off very, very difficultly, and that's how you would say that. Maybe you just say they come off, they don't come off. Rather, they don't come off. You get some stickers that suck to get off, right? I have an example here. And yes, I thought about you all, the followers and the people on YouTube, when I was prepping these. I said, hey, you know what? Somebody is going to want the information that I have because somebody was like me and they've done it a certain way for a long time and it sucks. And I came up with a tip or a trick or an easier way to do it. And I said, you know what? I'm going to share it with everybody. So check this out. These stickers are horrible to get off. So let's go ahead and take this off. I already took this off once and then I put it back on for theatrics, right? Because I was like, when I make this video, I'm going to show them that there was a sticker on there. Like, y'all wouldn't believe me that there was a sticker on it, right? Okay, so we're going to take it off. As you can see, like, some of the, so it's flat up top, and then it's got, like, these three little, like, things down here. And when you start to take it off, sometimes those little pieces are going to want to, like, stay on there, and that sucks. But you can see all the goop on there still, right? So the first tip I have for you is use a hot gun, or a heat gun, or a hair dryer. Use a hair dryer or a heat gun. I use a heat gun, and you run it over this a little bit, loosens it up, and you can peel it off. You have to be careful. You don't want to get it too hot. This is all plastic, and even sometimes on shampoo bottles and stuff, if you run the heat gun over it too long, it's going to actually melt the bottle. Or in this case, it could melt this plastic, and then your item is not going to be considered new anymore, and whatever money you had planned on making off this from selling it new, you've got to scratch that because you can't sell it as new. But you run the heat gun over it, not so hot that it tears up the package, but hot enough to where the sticker comes up. Sticker comes off. That's what I did with these, but then you still have all this goo on there. Now, in the past, I would do things like Goo Gone and isopropyl alcohol, which works. Goo Gone works wonders. It's amazing. I use it for a lot of stuff, and I do use it for sticker residue. However, if you have a bunch of something, it's going to take you a long time to heat this up, take it off, get your Goo Gone, rub it out, and then make sure that there's no Goo Gone left on here. Because if you use Goo Gone, it's very oily. And you want to make sure you get all the Goo Gone off, or the person's going to get the thing, the item, and they're going to have like a residue on there that smells like Goo Gone, right? So to prevent all that, here's what I do. I take this, I got the heat gun, take it off. Now we got the sticker residue. So now what do we do? Well, I'm going to take my label, my MSKU label, and I am going to remove the back, and I'm going to place it right over that goo. So now we have the item, and we have our Amazon sticker, our MSKU sticker for Amazon, and it is now over that goo. So when the customer gets it, they're going to see this sticker, but they're not going to see any residue or touch any residue or anything like that. It just makes it like more presentable, right? But then you have to ask yourself, where's the barcode? Because normally when you're sending stuff into Amazon, they want you to cover up the barcode. It's actually a requirement to send things into FBA that you cover up the original barcode unless you're having Amazon label it for you. But we're not doing that because that's not the way to go, hardly ever. So here's the barcode. We would normally put the sticker over the barcode, but now the sticker's on the front. So what do? Well, Amazon doesn't say how you have to cover the barcode. So what I do is I just take like, I print out a blank label for my label maker, and you can see I've already used some of it here, and I just tear off a little strip just like that, and then I cover it up. So now, if whoever gets the Amazon package opens it, they're not going to be able to scan that barcode because we've got it blocked off. And that covers it from Amazon's compliance standpoint. You don't really want to put any permanent marker or anything on there, anything that's like non-removable. You just want to cover it up and cover up the goo. That saves a ton of time. I've gotten items like 30, 40 at a time where there's residue all over them. So I'll heat gun it off, put the label over it, block off the UPC, put it in the box, and it's ready to go. That is going to save you so much time. So if you're like me and you're worried about like everything you send into Amazon FBA, you want to have pristine because you're like, I want to, make it presentable. I want to have a good experience for the customer. I don't want Amazon coming down on me and, shutting my account down or penalizing me. So you're really like, I want everything to look as pristine as possible. That's how I am. If you're like that, you don't have to compromise on that. That's a good business mindset, right? Having it as pristine as possible for a good customer experience, that's a winning mindset. But you can do things like this where it still looks professional, right? It's still in the good package. This barcode up here, this doesn't make it look like it's anything non-professional. It doesn't make it look like somebody did it who didn't know what they were doing. And then you block this off for compliance. Because at the end of the day, if it's an item like this, they're going to buy this and they are going to open the package. Now, they may be giving it as a gift or something and may not want this on there, but then I'd say that, falls on the responsibility of whoever bought it and who's giving it a gift, and they're going to take it off. And this sticker may actually have residue, so they're going to have to figure that one out. As long as it's not like a collectible item, like if this was a like a $10 GI Joe that was selling for $50, right? I would probably take the time to go ahead and clean it up and make it look real nice and send it in, because they may be keeping that package and I want to send that to them to where the package is in good shape. But something like this, fishing reel, I'm doing that. I'm covering up the goo with the barcode. And that's it for the day. That is the Winds of Change Amazon FBA prep lesson for the day. I hope that this is going to help some of y'all. I know it's going to help some of you. Some of you who are out there scrubbing away, this is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. And it is perfectly fine to send into Amazon that way. So thanks for stopping by. If you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I come out with this content regularly. And if you liked this particular video, go ahead and give it a like. Heck, you know what? Even if you didn't like the video, go ahead and give it a like anyway. I'd appreciate it. We just don't want any thumbs down. We don't like thumbs down. Keep hustling. And until the next time, take it easy.